Alright you guys, I just received my package from Morrocco Method with all of the tools that I'm going to need to start my lunar haircut journey. And so let's take a look. So here's what came in the box. A Euro Oil Restorative Hair Scalp and Oil Treatment, a Scalp Massager, Zen Detox Hair and Scalp Mask, and the Blunt Snip Hair Cutting Kit. So what was in this was a QR code to some videos on learning how to cut your hair, the comb, the lunar hair chart, and the scissors. So I'm going to take a look at this lunar hair chart really quick. So the lunar hair chart is based on the cycles of the moon, and there's 5 categories. We have strengthen, lengthen, thicken, root work, and beautify. And so I'm going to select a hair goal each month based on these categories. And for August, I have decided to focus on lengthening. So let's take a look at August and see when I need to cut my hair. I can cut it the 3rd, 4th, or 7th and 8th on full moon. So I am going to select the 7th for my hair cutting day, and I will post a video of that and look forward to that. I'm excited to get on this journey. Thanks for joining me.